Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video, I will show how to update the post and delete the post. I almost completed all the functionality of this project. Only update the post and delete post is remaining. So first go to the project and click on the post. Here I want to add update and delete button above the like and dislike button. So go to the details.html. Here add two button. One is update, another is delete. Save it and refresh the page, and here add these two button. Here create one div and give class my5. After that, into this div add these two button. Save it. Okay. Now go to the views.py. Into views.py, here add login required. After that, def update post request comma slag post equal to get object or 404 post comma slag equal to slag. If request dot method double equal to post from equal to add block from. We already created add block form into form.py. Here add block form request dot post comma request dot file comma instance equal to post. If form dot is valid, form dot save message dot success into message dot success. Here write request comma post updated successfully. Post updated successfully. SU double C or blog updated successfully, and after that return redirect to the page. So here in else from equal to add blog from instance equal to post, and return redirect sorry return render request comma update block or update post dot html, and here write from. Now save it and create this update post.html into this template. Here extend base.html and write block content and end block content. Here write h1 update post, save it save it. Now go to urls.py. Into urls.py here add path path flag update views dot. Here in views.py I write update post. So copy these things and paste it here and write down name equal to update post, save it, and now go to the copy this update post and now go to the details.html. Into details.html here add href. Into href here give here write down url. Into url here write blog blog clone this flag equal to post dot slack, save it and refresh the. Okay, it's working perfectly. Now I want to update this post, so press the update button. Okay, you see it working perfectly. Update post. Now design the update post.html. Into update post.html here write from method post and string type multipart form data, and here write csrf token below the csrf token here write form dot sp, and after that sorry, After that, here add one button, update. Here write one class btn primary, save it, and take the whole thing and create here one div, paste this whole thing into this div. Here give one class name is container. Into container, here write my5 and text center. Okay, now save it and paste the site. Here you see all the data come. Now I want to update. This is here, right? This is my first post. I want to update this name, and this was one first post. This is my first post, and it is one of the best post. Save it. Oh, so not save it. Sorry. Now update. Press the update button. Here, post updated successfully, and this is my first post. It is one of the best post. You see. Now I want to delete the post. So to delete the post, first go to the views.py. Into views.py, here below the update post, here write login required and def delete post. Into delete post, write here request and slag. Request comma slag delete post equal to post dot object dot get flag equal to slag and delete post dot delete and right here give one message dot danger request comma post deleted successfully. Post deleted successfully. Now redirect to the home page. Save it and now copy this delete post and go to url.py. Into url.py, here write path, add here comma path flag delete views dot delete post name delete post. Save this thing. Oh, sorry. Save this thing and now go to the details.html. Into details.html, here add href url blog delete post and slag equal to post dot slag. save it. Now refresh the site, and now I want to delete this post, so delete it. Okay, here show one error message, no attribute danger. Sorry. You see, sorry, was deleted successfully, but I want to again delete this post. This is our third post, so delete, post deleted successfully. Yes. Now I want to add another post, add block. Suppose search now JavaScript. JavaScript is a high level language, and copy these things, write down flag here, and here add this thing, and after that copy this whole thing and paste it here, paste it here also, and I need one image. Save this image to your directory. Save it. Now change post image, sorry, add post image here, javascript.jpg, add block. Here blog added successfully. Here you see our blog added successfully. Now click here. I want to like this post, one like. Another comment, I want to add one comment, suppose blah blah blah, submit comment. Oh sorry, here email address gmail.com, submit comment. Here one comment also added. Now I want to add, sorry, update the post. JavaScript is a high level language. It is one of the best language. Now, JavaScript is one of the best language. Now update this thing. JavaScript is one of the best language. You see our post is updated. Now I want to delete this post. Post deleted successfully. All the functionality working perfectly. So that's all for today. See you in the next video. Please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you.